Get acquainted with the 2022 Nissan Altima. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This well-equipped Altima delivers big on style and substance. Spacious comfort, active safety and infotainment tech, available all-wheel drive and athletic performance set this family-friendly midsize sedan apart from the competition. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, proximity key entry, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio. Stylish comfort blends beautifully with the latest tech in this can-do Altima. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.